She used to hiccup all the time.
Really?
When she was little, very little, and she's still little.
You got the hiccups again, girl?
He's dinged up by the long primary struggle with Senator Clinton. And that was inevitable that, you know, at first he was
It's so they can nurse well. So they can smush their nose up against the breast and it doesn't...
Oh, you think?
Yeah.
As they wanted. The long primary campaign has defined him.
She's too busy looking at the camera.
Yeah, she knows when the camera's on.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you're taking pictures.
Oh, Mommy is sneaking that thing around.
Except Madeline has radar and she knows when it's on.
That was a burp and a hiccup.
Boy, that was two for the price of one. Yeah. Oh, my.
You got a little bit of crud on your face there. There we go. Let's get that crud off your
I don't
face.
think anybody knows, do they?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
And he doesn't like Obama, does he?
On a personal level,
Yeah, you got the kids on the...
No, they don't like it. No, they don't like each other. As a matter of fact, because McCain and Obama.
You know, when the sun shines on it, it really looks red.
Yeah.
Reform bill, and from McCain's point of view, Obama welched on the deal.
Oh.
And of course, McCain, everything's personal with McCain. And also, for these independent
Get enough
voters,
hair that
these
you
are
can
not
brush it.
ideological voters. Americans
Yeah.
aren't ideological to begin with.
Yep.
Brush all that hair.
Yep. We've used the brush on her that you sent.
Democratic agenda in their mind about
Wonder if she had. It seemed like she had more hair before. Just to brush her hair.
Oh, yeah.
She digs that rattle too. Did you bring the rattle?
I didn't want to risk losing that.
Okay.
They look for personality. Now, that's been a
But it's that's rattle's perfect because she can grab onto it. You know, it's just the right size that she can. And then of course, you know, either end to chew on.
Yeah. Well, I was a little hesitant because I didn't know whether she'd pick it up and knock her head with it, you know.
She's got a hard head.